The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for West Central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Central Caddo Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Central Bossier Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Foster's, or over Bossier City, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. At 5:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado was spotted in southeast Shreveport. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Eastwood around 6:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Rocky Mount, Ferguson, Princeton, Fillmore, Linton, Bodkai, Bellevue, Barksdale Air Force Base, Ivan, and Sligo. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, and